Welcome to the Crystal Geode Factory by Wild Science. First we practice our lab-safe measuring and mixing skills to create a unique, chemical-rich plaster heart shape. While the plaster shape is setting, we make a saturated solution of our very safe monoammonium phosphate and yellow pigment in the special heat-proof bath. When it's cool, we add the heart shape and cover the bath with a special dust and evaporation control lid. And within a few days, we have a fantastic citrine heart. Now we make an emerald-coloured plaster, half-shell geode, and seed it with crystals. This time, we make a new saturated emerald-coloured bath by mixing blue pigments with hot water. Then we add the geode half shell to the bath, and within a few days we have a citrine heart and a geode ready to go on display. The Crystal Geode Factory by Wild Science.